Once again, on the surface, we are witnessing gold prices moving higher, but as we've seen for the last 6 consecutive days, it has been extreme selling pressure in the dollar index that has made the most significant impact on daily gold prices. 2 major factors are at play. First is rising or falling yields on U.S. Treasury instruments, bonds, notes, and bills. Secondly, is the relative strength of currencies that compose the index, such as the Eurodollar, the yen, the Swiss franc, and the British pound. Today, spot gold gained $2.60, trading at around $1,960. But the reality is, normal trading actually caused gold to decline by $12.90 an ounce. This daily chart of the dollar index clearly illustrates the carnage. Hello, traders. Gary Wagner here. It is 12:40 in Honolulu, 6:40 in New York on Thursday, 13th day of July, 2023, and this is the Daily Report for gold and silver. Gold futures gained $3.30 or 0.17%, taking the most active August contract to $1,965. Which is why these recent gains, as it has moved from approximately $1,900 at its low to $1,965, needs to be viewed through the eyes of dollar strength or weakness. Recently, weakness. We can see that we had a strong upside move yesterday. Today was a nominal move of only about $3, but in actuality, gold sold off about $12 or $13, with dollar weakness not only compensating for that loss, but actually putting it in the positive. The dollar index continued to spiral to the downside, today losing about 0.75%, taking the dollar index to 99.435. In the case of this dollar chart, a picture certainly expresses more than 1,000 words. For the last 6 consecutive days, we have seen a deep decline in the dollar index from above 103 to below 100, meaning that the dollar has lost approximately 3% when weighted against the dollar index or basket of currencies it trades against. I think this weekly candlestick chart of the dollar index really paints a much bigger and more foreboding picture. When we look at the size of this weekly candlestick, and there is still one more trading day to go in the week, the last time we've seen this kind of carnage happened back in November of 2022. That was when the dollar hit an apex in October of 114. Considering that the dollar has moved from above 114 to below 100 in a short time span of about 8 months, we have seen the dollar index decline by almost 15%. Silver had another phenomenal upside day, gaining 3.27% or 80 cents, taking the most active September contract to $25.11. Silver by far has been performing exceedingly brilliant, making a tremendous move considering that on the 23rd of last month, an ounce of silver was worth just over $22. It is now worth just over $25. The action over the last 2 days not only took it above the 100 and 50-day moving average, it also broke above the 23.6% fib retracement. And to get a very clear idea of where silver could move to, we need to look at a weekly chart. Back in March, we had silver trading just at $20. From there, it moved up to about $26.40 and then retraced just below the 61.8% retracement. Over the last 3 weeks, it has taken back most of the ground, which takes major resistance to this former top at approximately $26.40, a path that I believe we could easily see silver accomplish before it concludes this leg of the rally. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the weekly wrap-up and review. Bye-bye.